Welcome back to another video. Today we got a cool little day going. Got the me compa Draco over here, putting on some coils on this young Gs400. Oh shit, bring it out a little bit. Yeah, this motherfucker got eczema. We got the eczema twins over here. Eczema 1 and eczema 2.
Look at these bumps. You got eczema?
I got what?
Got eczema?
But it's all good. Yeah, what we doing? We putting on some coils on this shit today. Booyah. Hopefully he got some pictures of the before so then I can post of a after. But if not, oh well. Before we get started, or before anything, I want to give a shout out to the homie Nico. Go ahead and hit up his YouTube channel, give him a subscribe. I'm gonna drop a link down in the description below. He hooked me up with this shirt. This motherfucker hella clean. He's selling them too. I think they're 10 bucks a piece, 15 bucks. Oh, nigga, better watch out. All right, so I'll update y'all once we get them all, or not all on, but get going. All right, so this is what happens when niggas don't got the right tools.
No hammer?
No hammer, no problem. That bitch right there.
Right here?
Yep, on the side. Come on, hit it like a man. Hit that shit like a man. You want me to try it?
Sit the fuck down.
How we treat GS's.
Gonna start fire around this bitch.
There you go. There you go. Strong ass motherfucker.
Like I said, hit that shit like a man.
Oh, yeah.
Joe weak ass. Alright, so to those of you who haven't ever put coils on a Lexus, it's pretty much cut and dry for a lot of the platforms. We got 3 bolts up here. Now let me go to that side since it's off already. If you want to make it easy on yourself, you're going to want to take off the castle nut that's on the upper control arm. That way you can swing down the spindle, get it out your way. That way it's not fighting you. The bottom bolt is what, a 17 or 19? 19?
So 19
and then the castle nut's a 17. So
19, 17 on both.
17 on both. I'm getting confused with the LS.
Nah. One is 19 and one is 17 on the east side.
Gotcha. Okay, so 17 and a 19. 17-inch nut.
That's it, basically.
Yeah, 17-inch nut, 19-inch bolt, and then the 14 up top. So yeah, so it's like I said, it's the same all the way around for the Lexus, or for the LS400, GS, probably ES too, but I don't know. I don't fuck with those. And then in the back, only thing that's different is you don't have to take out the back seats on the GS because the struts are in the back trunk, so that's hella easy. All right, once everything's on, then we'll give you a little sample. So this is the shit you gotta do when you put on stripped lug nuts, guys. You gotta drill this shit out, which takes for fucking ever.
When you strip them. Fuck.
If they're stripped, don't put them back on. It'll save yourself a headache in the future. Just leave it. If you got 5, you can roll with 4. You can roll with 4. It's fine. Can't even tell. Let's hope it actually drops it. Alright, y'all, so here's the finished product. It's not too bad. It's not too low, but it's good. Looks good with them 18s on it. It's a nice clean look. That's what he be going for. He ain't about that low life. Look who we got here though. Y'all seen him in my other videos. Or his car at least. He just sold his wheels, but he's on my bag kit now. I'm not on bags no more. I'm on coils again for the time being. He's sitting clean. He still ain't low though. I can get my foot up under there. I got this dirty bitch right here. I ain't washed in like 4 months. It's alright though. She's neglected.
More than my other car. No holes in here.
Yeah. Like I said though, it's a nice clean look on this 400. It's the 400 game. What you guys think, either of these or any of us, what y'all think we should do next on our cars? Drop a comment down below. Let us know. These cars are pieces of shit, huh? Nah, don't lie to them. Just like that, we're at the end of the video. If you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment, turn on them bell notifications. All right, we out.
Running a nigga, I'm a steady rag. Smoking on dope, smoking on some pad. Yeah, I'm high as hell.